Question 1. What are the characteristics of the RG59 cabling specification? Select 3 answers. A. Coaxial cabling. B. Suitable for short-distance cable runs. C. Used for analog video and CCTV installations. D. Twisted pair copper cabling. E. Suitable for long-distance cable runs. F. Used for cable television, satellite television, and cable modems. The correct answers are A. Coaxial cabling. B. Suitable for short-distance cable runs. C. Used for analog video and CCTV installations. Question 2. Which of the following answers refer to the RG6 cabling specification? Select 3 answers. A. Twisted pair copper cabling. B. Suitable for short-distance cable runs. C. Used for analog video and CCTV installations. D. Coaxial cabling. E. Suitable for long-distance cable runs. F. Used for cable television, satellite television, and cable modems. The correct answers are D. Coaxial cabling. E. Suitable for long-distance cable runs. F. Used for cable television, satellite television, and cable modems. Question 3. Category 7 is a twisted pair cabling standard featuring improved specifications for cancelling crosstalk and system noise. As in Cat6a, Cat7 cabling offers 10 Gbps data transfer rate over a cable segment length of 100 meters in 10G-base-T networks. Category 7 standard introduces new connector types, the GG45 and Terra connector. Cat7 cabling hasn't seen a widespread market adoption yet, because all manufacturers of active equipment and network cards prefer Cat6a standard, which offers similar performance and takes advantage of the traditional RJ45 connector. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 4. In 10G-base-T networks, Category 6, Cat6, cabling supports a 10 Gbps data transfer rate at a limited range of 33 to 55 meters, whereas Cat6a, augmented, cabling allows for 10 Gbps data transfer rate over a cable segment length of 100 meters. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 5. Which of the answers listed below refer S to the characteristic feature S of Category 5e, Cat5e, cabling? Select all that apply. A. B and C connector. B. 100 meter cable segment length. C. Coaxial cabling. D. Twisted pair copper cabling. E. Fiber-optic cabling. F. 1 Gbps transfer rate over 2 pairs of cables, 1000 base-T networks. G. RJ45 connector. H. 55 meter cable segment length. I. 1 Gbps transfer rate over 4 pairs of cables, 1000 base-T networks. J. F-type connector. The correct answers are B. 100 meter cable segment length. D. Twisted pair copper cabling. G. RJ45 connector. I. 1 Gbps transfer rate over 4 pairs of cables, 1000 base-T networks. Question 6. Which of the following answers refers to the minimum requirement for twisted pair copper cabling in modern Ethernet networks? A. Cat3. B. Cat5. C. Cat5e. D Cat 6. E Cat 6A. The correct answer is C Cat 5E. Question 7. Which of the answers listed below refer, S, to the characteristic feature, S, of category 5, Cat 5, cabling? Select all that apply. A. Coaxial cabling. B. 100 Mbps transfer rate over two pairs of cables, 100 base T networks. C. F-type connector. D. 55 meter cable segment length. E. 1 Gbps transfer rate over all four pairs of cables, 1000 base T networks. FBNC connector. G. 100 meter cable segment length. H. 10 Gbps transfer rate over all four pairs of cables, 10 G base T networks. I. Twisted pair copper cabling. J. RJ45 connector. K. Fiber optic cabling. The correct answers are B. 100 Mbps transfer rate over two pairs of cables, 100 base T networks. E. 1 Gbps transfer rate over all four pairs of cables, 1000 base T networks. G. 100 meter cable segment length. I. Twisted pair copper cabling. J. RJ45 connector. Question 8. Category 3, Cat 3, cable is a 10 Mbps twisted pair copper cable used in telephone wiring and older Ethernet, 10 base T, networks. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 9. What is the typical cable segment length for a copper twisted pair Ethernet cable? A. 33 meters. B. 55 meters. C. 100 meters. D. 250 meters. The correct answer is C. 100 meters. Question 10. A simple device consisting of multiple connector blocks and ports used for cable management is known as A. Media converter. B. Demarc. C. Main distribution frame, MDF. D. Patch panel. The correct answer is D. Patch panel. Question 11. The 66-block, older type / primarily used in analog telephone systems, and the 110-block, newer type / used in computer networks, are examples of punch-down blocks used for connecting sets of wires. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 12. Which of the following answers refers to a fiber transceiver equipped with the capability to transmit and receive signals over a single fiber strand? A. Simplex. B. Bidirectional. C. Half duplex. D. Unidirectional. The correct answer is B. Bidirectional. Question 13. QSFP offers data transfer rates of up to A. 1 Gbps. B. 1.6 Gbps. C. 2 Gbps. D. 4 Gbps. The correct answer is D 4 Gbps. Question 14. Compared to SFP, SFP N offers enhanced data transfer rates of up to A 10 Gbps, B 16 Gbps, C 20 Gbps, D 40 Gbps. The correct answer is B 16 Gbps. Question 15. Which of the answers listed below refer S to the feature S of SFP? Select all that apply. A small form factor transceiver. B converts electrical signals to optical signals. C data transfer of 10 Gbps. D newer transceiver type that replaces GBIC. E modular, hot swappable, interface. F converts optical signals to electrical signals. G fixed physical interface. H data transfer of 1 Gbps. The correct answers are A small form factor transceiver. B converts electrical signals to optical signals. D newer transceiver type that replaces GBIC. E modular, hot swappable, interface. F converts optical signals to electrical signals. H data transfer of 1 Gbps. Question 16. What are the characteristic traits of GBIC? Select all that apply. A data transfer of 10 Gbps. B modular, hot swappable, interface. C converts optical signals to electrical signals. D fixed physical interface. E converts electrical signals to optical signals. F data transfer of 1 Gbps. The correct answers are B modular, hot swappable, interface. C converts optical signals to electrical signals. E converts electrical signals to optical signals. F data transfer of 1 Gbps. Question 17. Which of the following answers refers to a modular network device designed to provide a seamless link between different types of network interfaces, e.g. copper and fiber, or vice versa? A bridge. B transceiver. C active hub. D managed switch. The correct answer is B transceiver. Question 18. The shape and angle of the tip of a fiber optic connector can have an impact on the performance of a fiber optic communication link. The two basic types of fiber end are ultra-physical contact, UPC, and angled physical contact, APC. In the UPC type connector, the connector end is polished with no angle, while APC connectors feature a fiber end polished at an 8-degree angle. Besides additional labeling, UPC or APC, that helps in identifying further details about a given connector type, fiber optic connectors can also have different colors. The rule of thumb is that a UPC type connector typically would be blue while APC connector would have a green color. A true. B false. The correct answer is A true. Question 19. Which of the answers listed below refer S to example S of fiber optic connectors? Select all that apply. ALC, BDB25, CST, DSC, EMTRJ, FRG6. The correct answers are ALC, CST, DSC, EMTRJ. Question 20. A type of coaxial connector commonly used for cable television and cable modems is called ARG6, B F-type, CDB9, DMTRJ. The correct answer is B F-type. Question 21. Which of the answers listed below refers to a possible symptom of exhausted DHCP scope? A. Duplicate IP addresses. B. A PIPA address. C. Duplicate MAC addresses. D. Loopback address. The correct answer is B. A PIPA address. Question 22. NTP enables A. Allocation of IP addresses. B. Synchronization of clocks over a computer network. C. Retrieving contents of an internet page from a web server. D. Monitoring of network-attached devices. The correct answer is B. Synchronization of clocks over a computer network. Question 23. What is the fastest way for validating a digital certificate? A. CRL. B. Key escrow. C. OCSP. D. CSR. The correct answer is C. OCSP. Question 24. An expired IP address indicates a problem with A. HTTP. B. DNS. C. DHCP. D. ICMP. The correct answer is C. DHCP. Question 25. A security feature of a network switch that provides countermeasures against rogue DHCP servers is called A. DHCP scope. B. DHCP reservation. C. DHCP snooping. D. DHCP relay agent. The correct answer is C. DHCP snooping.